Habitually, some people they talk while they are dormant or while they are asleep.
That's asleep.
What is the reason?
Well, the reason there can be many reasons. Some not only talk but also walk in sleep. It's called somnambulance. So during sleep one is absent-minded and he can talk of whatever dream he's seeing. So in words he is in fact repeating his dream. This is called rapid eye movement, REM, and particularly during sleep it happens like a clock, exactly on time. Repeatedly, sometimes if you notice the eyelids of a child move from one side to the other and from the other side to back to the original one repeatedly, and this happens like an atomic clock, exactly on time. And during that period, if you wake up the child, he will remember his dream. If he is allowed to remain asleep, he won't remember his dream, but sometimes he utters the same words which are shown to him in dream.